NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, is a one-and domain governance architecture. One governed AI brain rightward arrow N enterprise domains. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, is designed as a universal governance intelligence architecture capable of operating across multiple enterprise domains using a single governed AI framework. Unlike traditional AI systems that require separate architectures, isolated governance layers, independent dashboards, and disconnected audit systems for every industry, NeuroGov Plus introduces a unified one-and domain model where one governance engine can scale across unlimited domains while preserving explainability, accountability, policy control, and institutional trust. At the center of the architecture is the 3D, 10D AI DNN Engine, Cognitive Cube, which acts as the multidimensional intelligence core of NeuroGov Plus. This engine processes raw data, contextual signals, trends, risk indicators, RMSE stability metrics, sustainability factors, governance logic, and strategic foresight using layered cognitive dimensions. Because the intelligence engine itself is domain-agnostic, the same governed AI brain can support healthcare, finance, manufacturing, logistics, education, ESG, semiconductors, smart cities, and future enterprise domains without rebuilding the foundational architecture. The Inform Rightward Arrow Govern Rightward Arrow Assure, IGA 2026, architecture enables this scalability. Inform generates AI intelligence and predictions. Govern uses Analyzer 1.0 and the policy engine to validate whether intelligence should become controlled institutional authority. Assure preserves audit trails, evidence, accountability, and governance memory. Since this structure remains constant across all industries, only domain datasets, KPI definitions, policy rules, and governance thresholds need to change while the core architecture remains stable. This and capability significantly reduces enterprise complexity. Traditional AI deployment often requires separate AI stacks, dashboards, governance mechanisms, security models, audit systems, and compliance frameworks for each domain. NeuroGov Plus instead standardizes governance into one reusable operational architecture. This creates massive advantages in deployment speed, policy consistency, enterprise governance maturity, audit readiness, and operational scalability. The policy engine is one of the strongest enablers of the one-and domain strategy. Each industry can plug in its own governance policies without modifying the core architecture. Finance can use RBI, IFRS, and fraud governance policies. Education can use ISO 21001 and NEP 2020. Healthcare can apply patient governance and compliance rules. Manufacturing can introduce quality, PPC, and predictive maintenance thresholds. The governance framework remains constant while policies adapt dynamically to each enterprise environment. Analyzer 1.0 further strengthens cross-domain scalability by acting as a universal governance decision layer. Regardless of whether the domain is finance, healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, or education, Analyzer 1.0 evaluates KPI, TSI, OSI, RMSE, and policy conditions before approving any operational action. This standardization ensures that governance logic becomes reusable across industries while maintaining domain-specific intelligence interpretation. NeuroGov Plus also supports domain extensibility. New domains can be connected without redesigning the overall architecture. A new enterprise domain only needs domain data, policies, KPI definitions, and governance mappings. Once connected, the Inform Rightward Arrow Govern Rightward Arrow Assure pipeline automatically becomes operational. This creates a highly scalable enterprise AI ecosystem where organizations can continuously expand governed intelligence capabilities without rebuilding foundational systems. The architecture also supports enterprise reuse and deployment acceleration. Core modules such as dashboards, DSS engines, Sankey governance flows, RMSE release gates, evidence vaults, audit trails, tooltip intelligence systems, and analyzer governance logic can be reused across multiple sectors. This dramatically reduces development cost, implementation time, maintenance complexity, and governance inconsistency while increasing enterprise governance maturity. Another major advantage of the 1N architecture is governance consistency. In traditional AI systems, different departments or industries often operate with fragmented governance models. NeuroGov Plus instead establishes a unified governance language where every domain follows the same principles of explainability, accountability, policy validation, RMSE governance, evidence preservation, and institutional authority control. This creates stronger operational trust and enterprise-wide governance alignment. Ultimately, NeuroGov Plus demonstrates that the future of enterprise AI is not about building isolated predictive systems for every industry. The future belongs to governed intelligence architectures capable of scaling horizontally across unlimited domains while preserving governance integrity. NeuroGov Plus achieves this by transforming AI from a collection of disconnected prediction tools into a unified governed operational intelligence ecosystem where one governed AI brain powers multiple enterprise domains under a single governance philosophy. Summary: NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, operates as a 1N domain governance architecture because its core intelligence, governance, policy, and assurance framework remains reusable across multiple industries. Through the 3D, 10D AI DNN Engine, Analyzer 1.0, the Policy Engine, and IGA 2026, NeuroGov Plus enables one governed AI brain to support unlimited enterprise domains while maintaining explainability, accountability, policy control, RMSE governance, audit readiness, and institutional trust. Power Summary: NeuroGov Plus redefines enterprise AI scalability by proving that one governed intelligence architecture can power multiple industries without rebuilding governance foundations. Instead of creating isolated AI systems for each sector, NeuroGov Plus establishes a reusable governed intelligence framework where domains simply plug into the same inform rightward arrow govern rightward arrow assure pipeline. This creates faster deployment, lower complexity, stronger governance consistency, and infinite enterprise scalability. One brain. One governance framework. Infinite domains. Infinite impact. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, inventor and architect 3D, 10D AI DNN Engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, and IGA 2026.